What up, bro? Elder Grifo. I'm here with my dog.
Sway.
Today, shout out to the homie. I forgot his username, but I'm gonna put it right here. For the idea, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna be walking past people with this shit on. We're gonna be walking around, like we're gonna be walking past by, like be like with that shit on. Shout out Brian, he told me to do it too. But yeah, he was like, hey, we should do that one. If you still don't know what we're gonna do, let's watch the next clip. But yeah, let's go like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you.
What the fuck is that? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Nah, I don't really feel like it.
Nah, I can't do him anymore because like he's like he knows something's up. Yeah. He went back?
He's right there.
I think he's looking for me, bro. What happened?
You know that.
Huh?
I'm not stupid. You know that. Don't play with me, okay?
Who said you're stupid?
Don't play with me.
Who said you're stupid?
Take care. Take care. Take care and be safe.
Yeah, I know,
Take care.
bro.
You know what I mean? I'm not stupid.
No one said you're stupid, bro.
No one's stupid, man.
No one said you're stupid.
No one's stupid.
You're smart.
No, you.
You're smart.
You know more than me.
I got fucking pressed. As Isaac says, I got pressed, but I don't think I got pressed. I think he was just a little mad. It was the second time he was staring at me. Y'all saw he was staring at me, right? Like when the second time that he was chasing us. Yeah, and then it was not that, bro. It was not that serious, bro. It was just a little sound effect. I walked past by you 2 times. He was like, "Oh, I'm not stupid, bro. I'm not stupid, bro." I was like, "I know you're not stupid, bro. You're smart." And he was just like, "I'm not stupid, bro." He was mad. He was like, "Don't pay with me." I was like, "I'm not doing shit, bro. What the fuck?" Ok, raza, hoy estamos aquí en el Walmart porque nos corrieron del otro a la verga. We're at a different location. It's a Walmart, but we still, we at a different Walmart. Basically what happened is, you saw the last clip, but let's go.
Huh?
Is there a reason you keep doing that?
Is she still there?
Yeah, just pretend.
No.
Light work, no reaction. Light work, no reaction.
Huh?
One more time?
That's it, I'm out of here.
One more time?
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Have you noticed anything sus?
No, you're just walking back and forth.
I'm looking for something.
Cap.
Huh?
I'm looking for something.
Cap.
For what?
Vacuum?
But that's why you're walking back and forth with all your friends and stuff, and I don't know what's going on.
I don't have friends, bro. I'm a loner, bro.
So what's going on?
Have you noticed anything sus?
Like what?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
No, I'm just saying why you. Well, you say you're looking for vacuum cleaners, but you're walking back and forth.
Did you press the red button?
I never.
Huh?
Never mind.
Are you the orange character?
Hmm?
Are you the orange character?
I don't know what that means.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you. That dude was like, what are you doing with your friends? I was like, I'm not doing anything. I was like, did you press the red button? He was like, okay. And I was like, are you the orange character? And he was like, I don't know what you're talking about.
The way you said it.
And then he just left. He was like, okay. He grabbed his shit and he left.
I'm trying to keep from knocking this motherfucking snag-a-tooth ass bitch out, punching him right in his motherfucking shit.
Is he reacting?
Yes.
Cause I'm a snitch. I'm a snitch on your ass. Yeah, I'm a snitch.
What did he do?
He look like he's gonna go snitch. That's what he looks like he's gonna go do.
But I think that's kind of good though. We just finished with the video. There was literally nobody here at this Walmart. There's people that are there, but they're like old. I'm not trying to fuck with the old people and shit. Maybe, yeah.
Fucking stroke.
They're old and shit, but.
Right, no, they could dead ass have a stroke and die.
Yeah, like.
If you fuck with them.
Like, and then boom.
He just said how he was trying to be respectful, and then he just did that shit.
If you fuck with the video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Right here.
Go to 20 mil.
Right here. And yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and shit. Shout out. I'm just saying, shout out Brian right here, man. But yeah. If you fuck with the video, do all that shit, and we're gonna be posting more videos, whatever, reactions, whatever, bro. We're gonna do everything, bro. But yeah, yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.